Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good morning, happy Tuesday. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. Our next system is approaching today. You're going to notice the winds are gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Threat tracker elevated because of some storms tonight, some of which could be strong to severe. Then throughout tomorrow, rain looks likely, but temperatures will fall throughout the afternoon, giving us a chance for maybe some snow on Wednesday night and Thursday, some of which might accumulate. So again, threat tracker back into the yellow category. Let's start off with the winds. They're already gusting to about 30 miles per hour this morning, and throughout a lot of today could be gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Those winds are coming in from the southeast, and they stay pretty breezy throughout tonight. In fact, we'll expect a breezy wind tomorrow and some strong winds on Thursday. Finally, by Friday, we're seeing the winds relaxing just a little bit. Here's that severe risk, a level 2 out of 5 in the yellow there for our western counties, and that will extend into southwestern Iowa. Any storms that we see for tonight will have the risk of maybe containing some isolated large hail and an isolated damaging wind gust. It's not going to be a widespread problem for us here in eastern Iowa. Then as you push into southwest Iowa where the storms are developing, there's a slight tornado risk, but we're not really looking at any of that for us locally. Cloud cover for today, we may see a few stray sprinkles. You'll see a few greens popping on and off throughout today. Just not a lot of moisture initially. But then here's that severe risk overlaid on top of everything. You see the storms developing off of that front this afternoon. And again, initially you get the storms rotating just a little bit. You can have that slight risk for tornadoes. But as they push to the east, they will generally weaken. And we'll see them in our western counties by about 10 o'clock. Again, initially, some of these will contain some hail and some gusty winds. That's round number 1, which will push to the east. There's round number 2 coming in here about midnight or 1 a.m. Those also could be on the strong side. But then as that round works its way towards the Mississippi River, they will weaken, and we'll just see some widespread showers and non-severe storms. Meanwhile, that front will lift through for tonight and into tomorrow, and we'll get the warmest temperatures tomorrow morning before the temperatures fall for tomorrow afternoon. Meanwhile, still some likely chances for rain, although a lot of the strongest activity will shift off to our east and maybe into our southeastern counties. Some on and off shower activity for tomorrow for everybody else. We get past that cold front, temperatures cool down, of course, and then the wraparound activity on the backside of that system is where we'll see rain turning into a wintry mix briefly, and then over to snow for Wednesday night and into Thursday. In fact, here's a look at Wednesday night. This is starting around midnight. You see the snowfall continuing, and as we work our way into the midday hours of Thursday, any isolated snow showers should move out and cloud cover remains, but temperatures get back above freezing, so we'll already start to see some melting there for Thursday afternoon. A lot of moisture with this one, another ½ an inch to an inch of rainfall expected over the next few days, and some of that will come down as snow, of course. And what we're looking at here is maybe up to a couple inches of snow accumulation on the grassy or elevated surfaces. The ground is still pretty warm, but if it does come down heavy enough for Wednesday night, it is possible it can overcome that warm ground. We could see a few slick spots for the Thursday morning commute, something we'll keep an eye on here over the next couple of days. Otherwise, today it's a slow rise in temperatures throughout the 30s into the 40s by this evening. Again, it's going to be a windy day as well. Then tonight, temperatures actually keep going up because of the winds. Showers and storms become likely. Stay weather aware. Have that weather radio ready to go. And here's your city-by-city forecast. We get all the way to the 50s and low 60s early tomorrow morning, but then that cold front passes and temperatures fall for the afternoon. Mainly just some rainfall on Wednesday, but Wednesday night and Thursday, that's when we see the transition over to snow. Moving out by Thursday afternoon, highs in about the upper 30s for Thursday. So anything that falls will already be melting pretty quickly. Friday is a dry day. We're going to see highs in the upper 40s. We're going to be near 50 for the weekend with a couple more disturbances. A chance for some rain and snow Friday night. That will push out Saturday morning, and then another round of rain perhaps on Sunday. Monday looking dry, and then more rain for next week with high temperatures only in the low to mid 50s.